Welcome to my mudroom where we have all the chicken feed and the dog food and the cat food and the Oliver food. And you're so funny, buddy. I think Olivia's around the corner. Is Olivia picking on you? Oh, let's check you for injuries. Let's check you for cat injuries. Oh, I see. Let me see. Oh. You gotta do a welfare check, huh? Make sure the kitty cats are not scratching you too much. Okay, so today is November 8th. It's about 9:30 in the morning. I thought Olivia was teasing Oliver. Olivia the cat was teasing. Yeah, she teasing you? Oh, cute cat. Ooh, kitty cat. So I experimented and I made some bird seed on a stick. Ooh, angry cat. Is that angry cat? No. So I just Googled on YouTube a couple days ago and just looked through lots of recipes. And so I basically got birdseed because we have it on the farm. So I got 10 cups of birdseed, and this one man, and this is for like wild birds or chickens. So basically 10 cups to 2 cups of boiling water, and then and you stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of gelatin, and that was it. And then you just put them in, molds. Any kind of molds you have, you can put them in cups like this. So that's what I did here. So you mix it all up. But what I did was I found another recipe, and they added peanut butter, which is natural peanut butter. So and I added, so basically you get the 2 cups of boiling water, and then and I put it like in here yesterday. This is all animal farm stuff, kitchen items. So I put 2 cups of boiling water in here, and then in a container, and then I mixed in like, I think maybe 2.5, 3 tablespoons of gelatin. So you're going to get that gelatinous texture. And then I went ahead and poured it over like 10 cups of birdseed, give or take. I didn't really measure. And then I added, but to the birdseed, I actually added like, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 tablespoons of peanut butter. I didn't really measure. I added oats. And so you kind of just can do it your own way. And I think what happened was this one worked. But so these ones, I'm going to take them out to the chickens right now. And yeah, so it's birdseed, oats. You can put cranberries, you can put raisins, you can, but this one didn't work. This one is just a plant, one of those, it holds water for the plants. You put your plant on it. Anyways, I thought, well, I have so much, I'll just make a big giant pie and cut it. Well, it didn't really work. So again, this one's kind of falling apart. So I'll still take it out, but the chickens will just eat it. I'll leave it in this container, this plastic container. It seems like it's harder here, but as it got further out, it's just kind of crumbly. Yeah. Also, these ones, we just put them in here, and then and when I put, oh, you okay, Betty? Come here. Here. We have stickers all over. Let me get it. Okay, I got it. Oh, okay. Anyways, when we ended up pouring the birdseed in here, the gelatinous birdseed, once you have all the ingredients, you've got to just press it down. Just, so we got another cup and just pressed. And then we had these, I think these ones, the little sticks that we had here, and chopsticks, and you just put them in there and then put them in the freezer. And so we did this yesterday. So again, I think I had imagined that this one would be a big cake, and then I could cut it into 4s and then leave it out for the chickens. But I think I'll just leave it. They can step all over it and just pick at it. So I have 2 flocks. So I'm going to go ahead and like maybe cut it in half, and then I'll see, I'll figure it out. So maybe I can get some footage, but just wanted to experiment. Even if you have like birds at your house, blue jays or sparrows, it would just be really neat to make. So again, I'm going to experiment, and I'm going to do it different ways. Yeah, so this will give the birds a little something else, because chickens can get bored and then they can peck at each other, but I'd rather have them peck at this. So then another thing is to get it out of here, I ran it, like I used this cup and this cup, again, experimenting. And I ran it through over hot water, just, the outside of the cup, and then it just pops right out. So that's because they were in the freezer overnight. So yeah, so we'll go take it out and see what happens. If the birds like it. If they don't like it, oh my gosh. But the wild birds, the doves will like it. So I think it'll be nice.